Fête de la Lumière, and Fête de la Lumière is Festival of Lights, which is the famous of France. So every year we never miss a chance to go to Lyon to visit this Festival of Lights, and it is usually 3 days, so we make sure we go for 2 days and enjoy. So every year for Fête de la Lumière, one association has been selected, and this association, Petite Fête de la Pauvre, this association was selected for the Fête de la Lumière 2018. This literal translation means that the little brothers for the poor, in fact. This association, I would like to tell in brief about this association. This association is for the senior citizen, the old people, the senior citizen who are above 60 years. And this association, this is a charitable association. They help the old people who are isolated in the home and or who are retired in the old homes. So they have lot of activities for the old people. Different activities like cooking together, painting together. They have different cultural activities as well, and they take them even for the vacations to different cities or different areas depending upon the condition. There are also, you will see the dogs who visit these old homes and this association. So basically they involve all these old people, the retired people, in one association where they meet so many different friends of their age, and they engage them mentally, physically and morally as well. So this association, they help this old people and engaging them mentally and physically, doing in some activity which really they do not feel alone because they meet the same age or the same people in this association, and it really builds them their moral. So they have different activities like gardening, cooking together, or some different sport activities also. It depends. So this association, in brief, they help the senior citizen, the old people who are alone at home. They bring these old people together and they make friends with other old people, and also they have lots of activities where they can do together, they can discuss, and they build their moral up. So for the Fête de la Lumière 2018, this association Petite Fête de la Pauvre and participated in this Fête de la Lumière. Also in the Lyon city, the daycare centers, this was involved in a community-based creative project. Now this creative project was given to all the old people, the retired people. So this was a creative project, and this is like 300 solar energy lamps have been illuminated at the installation which I'll be taking you. Now each lamp is very unique, and it's very beautiful because this has been created by these beautiful retired old people, and every lantern has a message in it, and there are drawings in it. So it is very creative. There are drawings, and a special message is included in the solar lamp, so it is very nice. So this community based project, they got all the senior citizens together, and it was very nice to see this their approach and their participation for Fête de la Lumière. So I hope you like it. I'll surely share the link in the description box of this association, and we can help this association in however way we can. So please have a look at it and check it out. Come with us to see this installation, Lumière en Soi, that is light within. Come with us and hope you like this installation.
Ready?